On Wednesday, January 19th, members of the Missouri General Assembly met for a joint legislative session to listen to the governor's annual State of the State address. This gives him the opportunity to present his policy goals for the upcoming legislative session. During his speech, the governor detailed budget plans for workforce development, education, and infrastructure, while urging the General Assembly to pass legislation to include the expanding of Interstate 70 and provide an 8.7% cost of living adjustment for Missouri state employees. The Senate's President Pro Tem was pleased with the governor's legislative agenda, as he believes it prioritizes legislation that can make a tangible difference in the lives of Missouri's residents.
I think the thing that I appreciated the most about most of the things that the governor talked about, and he's been good at this, he focuses on certain things that are of consequence to a lot of people: workforce development, jobs, infrastructure. He adds in healthcare. He adds in things that matter to families and children.
While the leader of the minority caucus was pleased to see increased education funding in the governor's budget proposal, he feels there is still work to be done.
I've always said that if you want to figure out where someone's priorities are, look where they're putting the money. He is actually putting them in places where I feel like we can make a difference. Again, is it as much as we'd like? No, it's not. I mean, $38,000 for a starting teacher is a good improvement from $25,000 if you look at the gap, but it's nowhere near what it takes to raise a family.
With the 2023 legislative session now fully underway, lawmakers will continue working toward their goals until the session concludes on Friday, May 12th. Reporting from the state capitol, I'm John Pattison.